How can I determine if an Instagram account is fake or not?
Hello, Instagram users. Today we're going to learn how to distinguish real accounts from fake ones. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to navigate Instagram more safely and confidently.
Why is it important to detect fake accounts?
On a platform like Instagram, fake accounts can lead to a myriad of problems, including scams, misinformation, and privacy concerns. By learning to identify these accounts, you're taking a crucial step in protecting yourself and your online experience.
What are the common characteristics of fake accounts?
Fake Instagram accounts often share certain telltale signs. These include 1. Limited posts. Fake accounts often have few posts, sometimes even none. 2. Bot followers. Look at their followers to following ratio. If an account has thousands of followers but follows very few people, or the followers themselves seem dubious, it might be a fake account. 3. Generic comments. Comments on posts are usually vague, non-specific, or irrelevant. 4. Recent account creation. Fake accounts are often created recently. Check the date when the account was established.
How to analyze account activity?
Scrutinizing account activity can also provide insights into whether an account is genuine or not. Consider the following. 1. Frequency of posts. Real users typically have regular posting habits, while fake accounts might post excessively within a short period or hardly post at all. 2. Interactions. Examine the type and quality of interactions. Do they have genuine engagements or only random and irrelevant comments? 3. Quality of posts. Check if the posts are original or copied from elsewhere.
What should I do if I find a fake account?
If you suspect an account is fake, 1. Do not interact. It's better not to engage with potentially fake accounts to avoid scams or malicious activities. 2. Report to Instagram. Use the report feature in Instagram to alert them about the suspicious account. As Instagram continues to grow, so too does the number of fake accounts. But with these tips in mind, you'll be better equipped to identify and avoid these fraudulent profiles. Remember, when it comes to online platforms, staying safe and informed is key. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!